in our fantasy. So take me, baby.
Hey beautiful people, this is your girl Tashnee.V.Mavee. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, you're welcome, and to all my friends and family, thank you guys for the love and the support that you've been showing me. I really do appreciate it. And hey, if you're not subscribed yet, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and give me a thumbs up if you want to see more of my videos. So guys, today's tutorial, it's all about this look here. I did a collaboration with Princess GINA. So guys, please do visit GINA's YouTube channel. I'll leave her link in my description box down below. And hey, Sherry is an amazing person, and I'm happy that I'm doing a collaboration with her. So we are doing this eye look that you are seeing here. We took this picture from Instagram from the girl named Mary. She is an amazing person. Please go and check her Instagram. Okay guys, let's stop talking too much, so let's get into this video. So I'm going to go ahead and try to do my eyeshadows. I don't have all the colors that she used on her look, but I'm going to try to use my own colors so that I can try to make something similar to the picture. Okay guys, now I'm going to go in with my orange color. So I'm going to go ahead and apply that orange color above the red color, and because it's the color that I'm seeing here, and the next color that I'm seeing, it's yellow. So after applying that orange, I'll go in with my yellow color. Now the next color that I'm going in, it's yellow. I'm going to use that yellow above the orange color. So I'm going to be applying that yellow color. The next color that I'm seeing on this picture is green, so I'm going to go ahead and apply my green color. The next step that I'm going to do is to apply my concealer. So I'm going to apply that concealer on top of my eyelid. The next color that I'm going to go in with, it's blue. I'm seeing the light blue color, so I'm going to be applying that light blue color just next to the green. The next color that I'm seeing here, I think it's light purple, so I'm going to go in and apply that light purple just next to the light blue color. That I'm seeing here, it's light pink, so I'm just going to go in and apply that light pink just next to that light purple color. Now I'm going to go ahead and try to blend the colors all together so that I don't have any harsh lines. I'm going to go ahead and use the same colors underneath my lower lashes. So I'm going to go in with the red and the orange color underneath my lower lashes, and on my waterline I'm going to go in with my light green color. So now I'm going to go ahead and try to fix my makeup, and I'll come and touch up where I need to touch up on my eyeshadows. So now I'm just going to go ahead and try to fix my makeup while you listen to the music.
Hey guys, as you can see, we have come to the end of the tutorial. So this is the final look. Just tell me what you think about the look, if I tried my best or not. So this is how it went, guys. So thank you so much for tuning in. May God bless all of you until I see you again on my next video. May you all have a lovely blessed day. And hey, if you're not subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button down below and give me a thumbs up if you want to see more of my videos. So this girl has to bounce. Bye.